This is to show you how to find results when you're doing MyItLab project, a grader project, a homework assignment. I'm going to click on September 18th. We did the work. I go into these three dots here. I click on there. I view submissions. I see I have three submissions here. Let's say I want to know how I did with one of them. I look at this one here, 91.5%. I click on it. It's going to give me feedback. When I go scroll down over on this side here, and I could see that I lost 1.5 points here, a few other points here, and I lost 1 point. What you can do, you can print this out. You click on the print icon. However, you might want to see more information here. I click on Live Comments Report. I click on that. It wants to save the file. I'm just going to put this on the desktop. I click on Save. And what I'm going to do, it shows it right here because I'm using Chrome. I click here to open it up. Open it up in Office, Excel. Take it a second. I have to enable editing. It's protected. It gives me a discussion of what I did wrong. I lost a few points here. What you do here, you go into the sheet here. I go into documentation. It has a little red thing here. Was not present Excel homework 1. I left out the 1 in there. So I lost 1 point for that. I'm going to go into the expenses page. I go into here. And I'm going to scroll over to the right just a little more. It's giving me all the things that I need to do. I did not put in the decimal points. I didn't set it as accounting. I just have it there. I missed a few steps. I only lost 1.5 points. But if I go back into the original file and do this, you read this carefully, it prompts you through this. So I had these two errors, and it goes into here the 1 point, the 1.5, and then it's also missing in the header and the footer. What it is here, I go into this sheet here, expenses. It's not going to give me a comment in this section here because you're in the footer. And then for some reason I never typed anything in there. And if I go back into the original file, don't do it in this file and submit. It won't work. But it's showing you the details there. You have to spend a few minutes. I've seen some students where they've gone through it a second, maybe a third or fourth time, and then they end up getting a much better score. So I'm going to close out of this. So you've got your score in here. It should have rounded me up to 92, not 91.5, but it's still an A minus. You can filter out just the incorrect stuff too before you print it out. A lot of things in here. Good luck with your work.